Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about the difference between Pandas DataFrame and series. Okay, so I have a few lines of code here. So this line is to import pandas as PD, so PD is the alias. I'm going to use IPython. So I'm going to go into SD-WAN directory or folder, and then I'm going to type in IPython to enable IPython. And here I can type this line of code. Okay, so this is how you import pandas as PD. And I got a table here, and the file name is SD-WAN devices. So this is the table, right? So this is our example to be the data frame. And to do that, you read the Excel file, and this creates a data frame or a table, right? So this is the command. So PD, and we are using the read Excel method, and we are passing in the file, and we are assigning this expression to a variable called df because it's data frame. So let me copy and paste this code. Now if I type df, I see the table or data frame, and we can also type this to view the first 5 rows. So we can see that it's 5 rows. Here it's 7. Yeah, so we only see 5 rows here. Yes. And here, if we want to verify that df is really a data frame, we can type this command here. And we can also do that by using this command df, because we are already in the interpreter, in this case IPython. So we see almost the same output, right? So it says that it is class pandas.core.frame.dataframe. So it is a data frame. And data frame consists of rows and columns, and this is what we call two-dimensional. And the example, like we just saw, is this table here, the SD-WAN device table, this here. Okay, and the next item is the series. So how do we create a series? So we create a series by selecting one column. So we can do that by using this command here. So, and this is, basically how you select a column. So df square bracket, and we pass in the column name. So in this case, host name, and we pass the result of this expression to a variable called host names. Okay, and if we do host names, we should see that this is a series. So pandas.core.series.series. So it's a series. And of course, we can just, let me just type in this line of code. So we see that it's one column, right? So this is from this column here, host name, right? And it's got index, here index. And we can verify that host name is really a series by also, we saw that earlier here, but we can also use this print statement, right, to see that it's really a series. Okay, so series is one column or one dimensional, and the example that we saw is the host name column. And by the way, you can also do this to select a column. So instead of using the square bracket, you can use the dot notation. But we can't use that notation for host name because we will get an error because you're not allowed to use dash. So in this case, you can just use the square bracket, host name here. Okay, so again, a data frame consists of multiple columns or table, columns and rows, and a series is just one column. Okay, so that's the difference between Pandas data frame and series. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.